Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Alisia.B, and if you're new, welcome. Thank you so much for tuning in. And in today's video, we're diving into a hot topic that is often overlooked, but is also important, and it's trimming the ends of your hair. Yes, it's time to snip those split ends and unlock the secret to luscious, healthy, and grown hair. Stick around because by the end of this video, you'll know why regular trims are a must for anyone looking to up their hair game. So let's start with the basics. What exactly happens when you don't trim your hair? Picture this, your hair ends are like the foundation of a building. If they're weak and damaged, everything above it suffers. Split ends can travel up the hair shaft, causing breakage, dullness, and even stunt their growth. And that's why a lot of you think that your hair can't pass shoulder length, but it's really because you don't cut your split ends. But I get it, we're all guilty of holding onto our length as long as possible, thinking that it's the only way to achieve those long, flowing, luscious hair. But here's the hard truth. Not trimming your hair can actually do more harm than good, sis. If you're noticing frizz, tangles, or that your hair just isn't grown the way you want it to, it might be time to grab those scissors, cut your hair, or if you can't do it yourself, go book an appointment, pay your money, and get your hair cut. But if for some reason you just can't tell if you have split ends, here are some pain points. So if your hair feels dry and brittle, no matter how much you moisturize it, you got split ends. If styling takes longer because of the knots and the tangles, you got split ends. And if there's no noticeable hair growth despite efforts with products and care, you got split ends. So what are the benefits of regular trims? Let me break it down for you so that way you guys understand. It promotes healthier hair because it removes the damaged ends, preventing further breakage. It boosts your hair growth. Healthy ends means less breakage, allowing your hair to grow longer over time. And it enhances shine and texture. Freshly trimmed ends look way smoother, and it looks very shiny, and it looks very put together. And also improves manageability, which fewer tangles and less frizz makes styling such a breeze. So basically, trimming your hair is like hitting the reset button for your hair's health. Now I know what you're thinking, how often should I trim my hair? But it depends on your hair type and your goals and where you are starting off with. If you're growing it out, aim for a trim at least every 8 to 12 weeks. And if you're maintaining a style or dealing with damage, every 6 to 8 weeks is ideal. Trust me, your hair will thank you every time you trim those ends. Now, trimming your hair is not the only thing that will help you retain your length and help your hair grow. You have to think about the tools and the products that help you in between those trims. So a good heat protectant, a good leave-in conditioner, and a regular deep conditioning treatment can go a long way in preserving your ends. I linked my favorite products in the description box below, and I've also mentioned these products in my previous videos, so make sure you guys go and check it out. So if you're still having doubts, aren't really convinced, or you just don't agree with this, here are some of my own pictures since I incorporated trimming my hair. These before and after shots of my hair shows you that it needed some TLC, and I literally had to change my mindset on how to manage my hair. And once I did that, the results were crazy. Healthy ends truly make all the difference. The feeling of healthy ends, the look of fuller hair, and the overall health just keeps me going. Remember that everything good takes time though, so if you're starting off with severely damaged hair, it will take longer for you to reach healthy hair. Good things take time, but once you figure out your regimen and what works best for you and your hair, oh baby girl, you will see constant results in no time. If you're not comfortable with trimming your hair, you could dust your ends, and dusting your ends is just basically a cleanup, a maintenance of the hairstyle that you have without taking significant length from your hair. I dust my hair at least once a month because I like how it feels and it helps keep the health of my hair. And when it comes to trimming my ends, I won't have to trim as much hair off as I would normally because I'll keep the dusting of my hair. Alright guys, that's it for today's video. Remember, taking care of your hair starts with the basics. Regular trims might seem small, but they make a big impact on your hair's overall health and appearance. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit the thumbs up, subscribe, and the bell so you don't miss any of my weekly hair tips and my hair videos. And let me know down in the comments, when was your last time you trimmed your hair? Okay, let's chat you guys. Thank you guys so much. I love you, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.